Mr. Increase Matthias, who is the 7th petitioner's witness, PW7, at the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, on Thursday said he had no direct knowledge of inflicted or deflected votes in the 2024 governorship election and that he relied solely on document and agent reports without first-hand handling or signing of results. PW7, who took the stand after the petitioners complained that it ran out of witnesses on its first schedule and was relying on witnesses on the second schedule in the case between Asweremi Godaro challenging the victory of Governor Monday Okpebolo of the All Progressives Congress (APC), a resident of Akakakutan, Amak Diokhan village in Urumi. PW7, after adopting his witness statement, was shown various documents, including certified true copies (CTC) of forms, Beavers accreditation reports, and voters' registers. When asked if those were the documents he referenced, he affirmed and subsequently presented his agent card. During cross-examination, the first respondent questioned PW7 on discrepancies in his evidence. This included the Beavers. Such reports were certified 3 months after his statement was filed. PW7 admitted to deriving his conclusions from polling unit agent reports without being directly involved as a polling unit or ward agent. He then acknowledged that while some results were signed by agents, others were not, although there were indications of agent participation. The second respondent highlighted claims of overvoting in certain polling units and referenced exhibits to demonstrate that some results were cancelled or reconciled at the World Collation Center. PW7 maintained that some forms lacked serial numbers despite being duly filled and supplied. The third respondent probed PW7's role as an agent, noting he has no involvement with Beavers machine or direct participation in coalition processes. He admitted he relies solely on documents and agents' reports without first-hand handling or signing of results. PW8 Aigbe Godaro Lucky, a 57-year-old interior decorator from Edo State, testified as petitioner's PW8. He identified his signed statement from October 11, 2024 and sought corrections to typographical errors before its adoption. He also referenced several documents including agent copies of Form EC8A, Beavers report and voters register, which were provisionally admitted by the court with respondent objecting and reserving their reasons for final written address. In cross-examination, the first respondent pointed out that PW8's conclusions were based on documents obtained by his party and not through direct involvement. The second respondent also questioned discrepancies in the cancellation of overvoted results and emphasized coalition procedures at ward and local government levels. PW8 confirmed he had no direct knowledge of inflicted or deflected votes. The third respondent underscored that PW8 did not sign or handle the document he relied on, nor did his role involving using Beavers machines. PW8 confirmed that his responsibilities as party agents were limited to review presented documents. The court adjourned after hearing the witnesses, with some respondents reserving their objection for final written addresses.
Today, PDP took more 2 witnesses, making a total of 8 witnesses they've taken. Now, they took 2 witnesses and went on break. Now, the 2 witnesses they took where they tried in their own capacity, actually, and then they were examined the tender documents, certified copy of the documents obtained from INEC, and these documents were vehemently objected to, but they had to reserve, in the court's wisdom, they had to reserve the ruling to the at the end of or the reasons for their objection. The court asked the lawyers to put it at their written addresses. That was what really happened today. Though at some point the witnesses were relying on documents obtained from INEC well far when they submitted their written disposition oath. That is, they obtained a copy of the results 3 months after they have written their written disposition oath, and they were relying on it. So the thing is this: how can an unborn child give birth to a child? It's not possible. But we leave that to the discretion of the court.
From the State High Court, Benin City, Faith Dibia, reporting for AFMI Reporters TV.